Kung may goal ka this 2024 na gusto mong matupad, then you have to listen to this. I do it the smart way. Smart meaning specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific. Every details ng gusto mong maabot na goal dapat iset mo. Kahit very tiny details pa yan. Measurable. Importante na kapag nag-set ka ng goal ay yung alam mong posible na mangyari. Attainable. Yes, of course. It should be attainable. Hindi ka dapat mag-set ng goal na alam mong imposibleng matupad. Pwedeng challenging, pero possible. Relevant. Your goal should be aligned to what you really want to achieve in the long run. Or dapat magagamit mo siya or makakatulong na maabot ang ibang pang mga goals. And last, time-bound. Give yourself a deadline. It can't just go on forever. Dapat specific time. Ikaw ang mag-reset nun. That way, you can track your progress. Just remember the word SMART every time you're setting a goal. Because this method will guide you through the process of achieving it. Good luck!